Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and today I'll show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, let's pull down our notification panel and expand it. And here you should find somewhere Do Not Disturb mode, which as you can see just kind of flipped to the second page on its own just because of the SIM card. But you can just do it yourself, and it looks like it's on the second page, so Do Not Disturb. Once you locate it, which should be for you in the same place, just because I haven't changed the location or orientation of these toggles, so I assume it's located by default all the same way. So anyway, once you find it, you can tap on it to immediately turn it on, or you can hold it. This will quickly take you to the settings where you will be able to customize how this toggle actually works. So quickly going over the options right here, we have just a toggle to turn it on and off, which is the exact same thing as though if you would press it right here. Then we have for how long, which defines what will happen when you press on the toggle. Then we have a schedule, which comes with one pre-made one called sleeping, but you can add your own, which allows you to set up each day of the week that you want it to run in and start and end time. And then below we have exceptions for calls, messages, conversations, and alarms and sounds, and apps along with notifications. So you can go through all of these, customize who can call you, message you, what kind of apps can interrupt you, sounds, and so on. And once you have went through all the settings right here and customize them to your liking, you can leave this area and never come back to it again, assuming you don't want to change anything. And when you want to use your Do Not Disturb mode, tap on a toggle to turn it on. So this is for the manual use. Now, if you're planning to use your Do Not Disturb mode as a scheduled route, all you need to do is just make sure that it is enabled right here, like so. You don't need to have it enabled right here, just make sure this is enabled, and the device will do it for you. So that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.